In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bulk coupon codes in Kajabi. If you run promotions, partner campaigns, or want to give unique discounts to different customers, bulk codes are a simple and secure way to do it. Rather than sharing a single code with everyone, you can generate a batch of unique codes that are easy to track and harder to share publicly. Start on your Kajabi dashboard and head to Sales, then select Coupons. This is your central spot for managing all discounts. From here, click the plus New Coupon button to begin creating your promotion. When prompted for the coupon type, choose Bulk Codes instead of Single Coupon. Single Coupon creates one reusable code, but Bulk Codes generates many unique codes in one go, which is ideal for email campaigns, affiliate partnerships, or limited-time promotions where you want more control over who redeems the offer. Next, fill out the key details. Give your coupon a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it later, such as a campaign name and date. Then decide on your discount type. Percent off is great if your offer prices vary or you want the discount to scale, like 20% off. Amount off is better if you want a fixed reduction, such as 10 off the price. Enter the discount value carefully to match your intention. You'll also choose how many unique codes to generate. Kajabi lets you create between 1 and 1,000 codes in a single batch. Pick a number that matches your audience size and delivery plan, and consider a small buffer if you expect extra demand. Fewer codes mean tighter control. More codes support wide distribution. Click Continue, then select which offer or offers the coupon applies to. Offers in Kajabi connect your products, pricing, and checkout, so this choice determines exactly where the discount can be redeemed. If you want the same batch of codes to work across multiple offers, you can select more than one. If you're running a targeted promotion, choose only the specific offer tied to that campaign to keep redemption clean and intentional. That's it. Once you confirm those settings, Kajabi ties your discount rules to the selected offers and prepares your unique codes. From there, you can share them through your marketing channels and confidently track how the promotion performs. Keep your naming consistent, generate only what you need, and align each batch with a clear campaign goal. With this workflow, you'll create polished, scalable promotions that are easy to manage and even easier for your customers to redeem.